Ever wondered how secure your mobile device truly is? Today, we dive into the world of SIM swapping, a method that cybercriminals use to trick your service provider into transferring your phone number to their own SIM card. This allows them to bypass security measures and gain access to personal accounts linked to your number. Sounds chilling, doesn't it? So let's break down SIM swapping and how one can outsmart these digital tricksters. SIM swapping begins, as you might expect, with a scammer gathering as much personal information about you as they can. This could be through phishing emails, social media stalking, or even buying your information from the dark web. The more they know, the easier it is for them to pose as you. Armed with this information, the scammer then contacts your mobile service provider. They'll spin a believable tale, maybe that they've lost their phone or that it's been stolen. They'll use your personal information to convince the service provider that they are indeed you. Once they've successfully convinced the service provider, your phone number gets transferred to their SIM card. With this, they can receive any text messages or calls meant for you, including those crucial two-factor authentication codes that many of us use to secure our online accounts. Terrifying as it sounds, there are steps you can take to make it harder for scammers to SIM swap your number. Here are some key preventive measures. First, limit the amount of personal information you share online. The less information scammers have, the harder it is for them to pose as you. Next, set up a PIN or a password with your mobile service provider. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for scammers to impersonate you. Also, where possible, opt for authentication methods that are not linked to your phone number. Use email-based authentication or biometric authentication where you can. Lastly, be aware of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or give out personal information to unverified sources. To sum up, preventing SIM swapping involves being cautious with your personal information, setting up additional security measures with your service provider, opting for alternative authentication methods, and staying vigilant against phishing attempts. By following these steps, you can make it much harder for scammers to gain control of your phone number and, by extension, your digital life. Remember, in the digital age, knowledge equals power. And now that you're empowered with this knowledge, you can take the necessary steps to protect yourself from SIM swapping. Stay safe in the cyberspace.